A judge will now decide if Brian Kohberger's trial will be moved to Ada County after a hearing was held in Moscow yesterday on this. Kohberger, of course, accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in November of 2022.
His defense focused on the results of a community attitude survey. The attorneys say the survey was sent out to prospective jurors in Latah County to gauge the attitudes and potential bias of people in that area. Morgan Romero has some of the key takeaways presented in court.
98% of the people surveyed in Latah County had heard, read, or seen something about the quadruple murder case. That's compared to 93% of those surveyed in Ada County. Among people who recognized the case, 68% of people in Latah followed the case somewhat or very closely, compared to 58% in Ada County. On top of that, 79% of people surveyed in Latah County have talked about the case either in person or online, compared to 60% of those in Ada. Another notable finding, 40% of people surveyed in Latah County said they visited or walked by the home where the murders happened. That's compared to only 8% of people in Ada County.
So these are instances just to show how invested people in this community are. So almost 80%, 79% have talked about this case online or in person. And that's where information is spread. So even those who may not closely follow the news are learning about it from their neighbors, from their coworkers, from family, from social media, and all of that. So information is being spread through those channels as well. And you do see big differences there when you're looking at Ada County. It's much lower because they're less invested in this case. It wasn't a shocking incident that occurred in their own community.
The survey showed 39% of people in Latah said they experienced higher levels of stress during the search for the killer. Only 17% of people in Ada reported the same. The survey also asked about media exposure. 79% of people who responded in Latah County recognized most of the media coverage presented in the survey.
Now, prosecutors did point out that in early 2023, Ada County actually had more coverage than Latah County on this case. There is no decision yet on whether or not the trial will be moved. The judge will continue to think about it.